class.
Good morning, Mom.
So before we start our lesson for today, let's watch first the video clip.
Jeez Louise, this place is bonkers.
To infinity and beyond!
Ah, come on, princesses and cartoon characters, lame.
Hey, easy there.
Oh, I mean, no offense or anything. Well, time to get to work.
And for your final question, my friends would describe me as...
Smart, funny, kind, or brave? Kind, I guess?
Based on your answers, your princess BFF is... Snow White!
I do believe our friendship will be the fairest of them all.
Hey, wanna meet my BFF? It's Wreck-It Ralph. Just click here to see his new video. Thank you.
Yeah, in Captain America, the First Avenger, Red Skull refers to Yggdrasil, the World Tree, guardian of wisdom and fate. Are we to believe, sir, that you are a descendant of that tree?
I am Groot.
Okay, thank you very much.
What is Drax really like?
I am Groot.
Thank you.
Yeah, are you a conifer or a fruit-bearing tree?
Excuse me, I'll take this one. He is Groot, I am Vanellope. Click here to meet Wreck-It Ralph. This is almost too easy.
Hey, you have a permit for that pop-up? That's unauthorized clickbait. You're coming with us, kid. She's getting away! This way.
Sorry, mister.
Hey, Teacher Reed, cast members only!
I think she went down this way. Come on, roger that.
Did you see a kid come through here?
Came running through here like a headless hen.
Any sign of her?
No. Maybe she went down to the Air Bud Pavilion. Come on, let's check it out.
What characters are shown in the clip?
Yes, Shane.
Various Disney animated characters from different movies. What do we call them?
They are called cartoon characters or animated characters.
Okay, very good.
Okay, class. This morning we will learn about the elements and principle in comic art. So, comic art is the creation of digitalized or simplified drawings for the purpose of telling a story, asking a point, or making people laugh. So, next is cartoons. It's a form of visual communication that became popular with the invention of modern newspaper and motion pictures in the 20th century. A cartoon is as old as man. The earliest example of a cartoon can be found in caves. So, let's move to the cartoonist. Cartoonist is a person who makes cartoon characters. So, let's proceed to the elements of art involved in comic art. The cartoonist uses art elements and combines them in different ways to create a unique price of art. The elements of art are like the ingredients in a recipe. So, number one, line. A patch created by a moving point, mark, or object. Line can be straight, wavy, broken, thick, thin, curved, horizontal, vertical, and etc. So, number two, shape. Shape is a two-dimensional or 2D flat enclosed area. When a line crosses over itself, it created a shape. So, number three, color. The color is the element of art derived from a reflective or absorbed light. Color adds interest and mood to work of art. It it also referred to as hue. So number 4 is texture. How something feels or looks like it would feel if you could to touch it. So number 5 is form. Form is objects having 3 dimensions or 3D or height, width, and a depth. You can walk around a form. So number 6 is volume. The lightness or darkness of an object, the effect of light and shade in a picture. So lastly is space. Space is an element of art that refers to the emptiness of or area around or with the objects.
Principles of art involved in comic art. First, emphasis is a way of using elements to stress a certain area in an artwork. Example is emphasizing the size of the eyes of the cartoon character to show its emotions. Number 2, balance is concerned with the visual distribution or weight of elements in a work of art. Example is how the face of a cartoon character is balanced from one side to another. Let's proceed the process of art involved in comic art. First is the digital drawing. It's a process of art that uses new technology such as a computer or drawing tablets and creating them. Second is hand drawing. It's an art process of expressing art in a form of pen and paper.
Okay class, we will have an activity. You can choose which of the 2 art processes you want. Either the hand-drawn or digital drawing. Always keep in mind the element and principle of art. You will draw your favorite characters. So, in hand-drawn cartoon character, you can choose your favorite cartoon's character and draw it using a blank sheet or a bond paper. So, in digital created cartoon character, you can choose your favorite cartoon character and open in any available software or any mobile application and draw your favorite cartoon characters. Here's the rubric of your activity.
What did you learn about the difference between digital comics and hand-drawn comics?
Ma'am,
Okay, Jackson.
digital comics are flexible and efficient, and hand-drawn comics are unique and authentic. Thank you.
Okay, girls. So, number 2 po is, why do you think the elements and principles of art are important and making comics? Okay, Miss Elena.
Elements and principles of art help convey emotions and stories.
Okay, class, please get 1 more sheet of paper and answer this activity. Okay, class, pass your paper.
Okay class, for your assignment, bring 1 printed or digital comic art strip. Identify and explain the elements and principles you observed in it.